guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve these faux butterfly locks. So we're going to skip past the boring parts of washing and braiding, and we're going to get right into how I achieve this look. You tell me exactly what this is. It took about an hour for me to install these braids, and now I am going through and oiling it, and I'm going to let the braids dry overnight. Now it's the next day, my braids are dry, and I'm using free twist braiding hair, the Waterway 22 inch. I'm using color number 4 and color number 1, and of course a crochet needle.
I've already oiled my scalp and everything, so this is what I do. So I have this. I'm gonna stick this through my braid, the root of my braid. I'm gonna put this around there, close it up, pull it through, unhook, and I'm just gonna pull right about the middle first. And I'm just gonna pull one side through. One side. Now that it's there, now I go through and I kind of separate it just a little, not too much, making it a bit more fluffy. And I do this one too. Alright, so my braid stops here, and I want my locks to be pretty much the same size, so I'm gonna leave some a little bit extra. So now I grab it and then I start wrapping. I'm gonna wrap under. I think that's gonna be good for me.
One thing I forgot to say is that I take the longest end and I wrap down. I wrap the first 4 wraps really tightly, and then I loosen it as I go down. And I also didn't show how I wrap it back up, but I will when I get to the front of my head.
Boom. Okay. That one's actually pretty cute. It's distressed looking. Alright, I'm gonna do more, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm toward the front.
So I'm at the front. I take my crochet needle, put it through the root of my braid, then I grab the hair, pull it through my braid, then I separate the hair. Taking the short end of the braid, holding it, and then taking the long end and wrapping it around the braid and the short end of the hair. First 4 times tightly, then after that I get a little loosey-goosey. Now for the ends, I take the remainder of the hair, wrap it around my finger, and then coil it up the lock. It's very similar to my cocoon curls, how I did my cocoon curls in my video. I'll link that in the cards if you're interested in watching.
On the bottom I did 1B, and at the top I did 4, because I wanted to add some depth to it, so it wouldn't just be one color, because I feel like when it's one color it can be kind of flat. So that's why I got the darker at the bottom and then the lighter at the top. So yeah. Cue the video montage! enjoyed this video. If you like the way my locks turned out, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look around to see what you like. There are more videos to come, all about natural hair, protective styles, holistic health, self-care. I'm like a self-care advocate. And yeah, comment, share, like, subscribe. I hope you all are having a blessed day, night, afternoon, what have you. We're gonna get through this, okay? I promise.